EasyTitles allows you to configure your project to the exact specifications of the video. Depending on the export format, that gives you a high degree of precision when it comes to the visual aspect of the subtitles, including positioning, alignment, typeface, font size, and effects such as outline and drop shadow. For that reason, it's important that you adjust the video dimensions in your project settings to match those of the video being subtitled. In this lesson, we'll take a look at how to do that. There are two general situations to consider. First, when the video you're working on is the same that's going to be shown to the end user. Second, when you have a video with different dimensions than the final product. Let's start out with the simpler scenario. You're working on the final version of the video. The first thing we'll do is open the video in a tool such as VLC Media Player. Here under Tools, Codec Information, we can find a lot of details about the video, including the resolution. This video has a width of 1920 pixels and a height of 1080 pixels. This is a very common standard known as Full HD, so much so that EasyTitles has a preset for it. Let's open EasyTitles and load this video. Here under File, Project Settings, we can choose HD 1920 by 1080, and we're good to go. Let's check this second video. Its dimensions are 1998 by 1080. This is the Cinema DCP 2K format, otherwise known as FLAT. EasyTitles also has a preset for it, 2K Flat 1.85. We can just select that, and we're good to go. This video here has dimensions 1280 by 720, otherwise known as 720p. EasyTitles doesn't have a preset for it, so we choose Custom and type it out manually. Finally, this video has dimensions 500 by 500. It's a square video, very common on social media. Again, no preset, so we type it out. Now, as we mentioned before, there are situations in which the video you're subtitling has different dimensions than the final product. For example, here we have a video at 720p, that is 1280 by 720. But your client has told you that the actual video is 1080p, that is 1920 by 1080. No problem at all. Just configure EasyTitles for the dimensions of the final video, that is HD 1920 by 1080. Here we have a different situation which is also very common. We have a video at 1920 by 1080, but it's letterboxed. The real video is 2K scope, as mentioned by your client. No big deal. We can configure EasyTitles to 2K scope. But now the video is a bit distorted because we have the letterbox mats above and below. Not a problem. We can crop them out. Here under Video, Video Crop, we choose 2.39, which is the ratio for 2K scope. Then OK. Now it looks much better. You're still working on the original Full HD video, but EasyTitles knows that any exports will be made for 2K scope. As we said, all of this depends on the export format. If you're just going to deliver a standard subrip file with timecodes and text, then the video resolution really isn't all that relevant. But if you're exporting in a format that takes font and positioning into account, such as DFXP, then you'll want to make sure that the video format is properly set. Your assignment is to configure the provided video files correctly on EasyTitles. They all have the same frame rate, but different resolutions. When you're done, check your answers with the provided PDF file.